All right, y'all. Let's get to the business, man. Let's get to the business. Now, the only reason I started this stream later today is just because, as y'all can see, we got news at 10 o'clock, and I knew realistically, bro, I wasn't gonna be taking anything probably before 10 anyway. So, didn't want to bore you guys with 30 minutes of just me looking at these charts and do absolutely nothing. So, let's do a little recon of what we're looking at right now. So we're obviously still in this bullish fair value gap on the daily. All right, we took a long yesterday, and we caught a dub. I was hoping to see, like, as y'all can see, bro. If I go back to the 5 minute to make it a little bit clearer, I'm gonna delete this because we already know we're in a daily fair value gap. As y'all can see, man, we just barely didn't take the previous day's low. As y'all can see, just barely. So I was hoping to see like some S&T between ES and NQ, but there isn't any new S&T there. So we're just gonna have to keep going with this old S&T at the bottom. I mean from yesterday, right? Higher low, lower low right here. So we're just gonna have to go with that for today. Still, we're getting a lot of wicks to the downside here on the 4-hour inside of this 4-hour gap, right? Which is a good thing. If we want to be bullish, same thing on the 1-hour, right? I mean, ideally, you would have wanted to see like a little extra little sweep right down here. And for all we know, that could come, after news. So that can come at 10 o'clock. But, I mean, I'm still bullish, bro. Until shown otherwise, I would like to hop into a buy. But, if we don't get that, we'll have to find another way to get this done. Today is the last day before the rebuild. Let me go ahead and log back in. Today's the last day before the rebuild on this account. And as y'all remember yesterday, we gave ourselves a shot, bro. We need $1,400. Yeah, $1,418 to be exact. Well, if you want to be exact, $1,417.90. So that's about 71 points on the minis. That's what we need, I believe. Let me just double check. Yeah. 71 points on the minis. We can catch us a 71-point move. If we got to take the micros, that's going to be a whole lot longer of a trade because we got to hold it for 142 points, bro. So we can catch it on the minis, man. That would be beautiful. But I'm not just about to blow this account either. We also have this new fresh one, right? I haven't taken a trade on that one yet. But we are 2-0 for the week, so. Yeah, my music for me. So, we have a chance today, man. We have a chance to get this thing done. Again, I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to push it. But I'm also not going to get punked out of taking a trade either. You could just do this, bro. Like we're a long way away from, well, not a long way, but we're far away from equilibrium, right? I wouldn't even want to think about selling until we trade back like into here at least, in my opinion. Like, yeah, we tapped into this bottom half of this fair value gap, but I would think we're gonna get a bigger retracement than that. And then along with these equal highs up here, I mean, I've said that time and time again, bro. We still got these equal highs from July. Like, bro, it's very interesting. But we'll see what this news does. Yeah, that's a good setup today, man. We need to go 3-0 today, pass this combine, and go into Friday with a new 50K funded, and get started on, you know, the live trading series of getting my first payout, bro. Once I get that first payout, that's like, those are going to be like the last of my quote unquote self obligated, streams. So after that first payout, it's over with. Not over with, like I'll hop on from time to time, but it's not going to be an everyday thing. And it's not because, I don't enjoy hopping on live. It's just, y'all, until I get like a better MacBook, man, we just can't be doing this, bro. We can't keep doing this every day. My MacBook is literally on fumes. My MacBook is like, this is not what I signed up for. Hello, dreaming. Gotta go 3-0 today, man. But so far, man, NFP week has been good, bro. It ain't been too much foolishness. At least nothing that I've seen. Had somebody in the Discord passed their first 50K today, bro. Shout out to him. He said he got 3 more, like, that's over halfway done, so he on his way for real. News in 48 seconds, bro. Let's see what we get here, man. Oh, wonderful. All right, so it was greater, so it's actually supposedly bearish for the indices. Let's see if that actually plays out. I mean, we do got this to worry about, but like I am worried a little bit about these equal lows down here. The only thing that's kind of making me be like, bro, it's not that big of a deal is this little S&T down here, but at the same time, it's like, wouldn't like to see that. Are we still? Oh, wait a minute. No, it's not. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's not really the cleanest. Let me look at the dollar. If we can get the dollar to keep falling, that could support our longs. Low key, a little low key uni right here on the 15 minute, but I mean, I probably wouldn't even take this just because this thing is taking off. And if it retraces back down here, I would want to wait to see what would happen. Plus, the stop loss is probably ginormous. Yeah. A little 70-point stop loss, nothing crazy. But that's what you would want to see. I'm gonna try my best to stay on the minis, y'all. To try to get this thing done today. so far, man, it's like, bro, you should have just took this, bro. What are you doing? I should have known that this was gonna be it. There was actually nothing even on the 1 minute unless you just took these fair value gaps, bro. It was actually nothing. Previous day's high is intact on both. So it's no S&T there. If for whatever reason we could get a pullback down into this little uni right here on the 15 minute, we could probably drop down to the 1 minute and see if we can catch something off of that. But I mean, I would expect this to just go ahead and take this. Give us something, man. Give us something good. We're about to tap into this daily bearish gap too, man. I was kind of hoping to get something before then. So like, if I try to go long, there's nothing like conflicting me for a while. But it doesn't look like I'm about to get that, man. Yep. Yep. All right, we just tapped into that daily fair value gap, man. Okay. So now we gotta keep in mind that if we take a long, we're low key going against a higher time frame PD rate, because right now we're it's such an annoying position, bro, because we're in between two now, right? We're in this and we're in this. So now the question is, which one is gonna win? All right. I think if I had to pick one, I would say long, unless I see like something just super clear bearish, bro. I think today, now more than ever, since we're in between 2 points of interest, like, I definitely gotta be a little bit more patient and watch reactions. I can't just hop in now. I was praying to God, man, we could get something before we, tapped into that. It's unfortunate. I mean, literally playing, I was like, God, please. He was like, not this time, not this time. Man. I mean, I guess to be fair, even if we did come to sweep these lows, that daily fair value gap would still be in play. Because the internal to external here, this would be your internal, your external low would be down here. Delete this. Would be down here. So even if we swept that today, we would still be in this. And then if we were going to do the internal to external on this piece, sweep this liquidity here, tap into this, and then go for this external sitting up here. What's good, Matthew? What's up, man? We're thinking of all scenarios, y'all. We're 2-0 for the week. Got to look at this from all angles. So I guess coming down here to take out all this wouldn't be just totally out of line. Because at the same time, y'all, we got to remember price is fractal, right? Or whatever, price fractal, time is fractal, whatever. Just like how on a 5 minute we can sit in a fair value gap for 20 million years before taking off, that's what could happen on the daily, bro. Like, there's nothing saying that we can't sweep this before continuing higher again. So I'm not 100% opposed to going short. Not 100%. But I would think the long-term play is to go take out all these little highs sitting up here, bro. But this is what I'm looking at. That's making me be like, okay, we could see some resistance on our way up. At least initially. I know it's probably some people that's waiting to see. I know my inverse fair value gap traders, y'all waiting to see this inverse and y'all ready to pull that trigger. You're long on YM. Currently trying to get funded with Top Step. Well, not even trying. We're not. Let me change my language, bro. We're not trying to get funded. Currently working on getting funded. All right, because trying gives you a way out. We're working on getting funded with Top Step. About $1,400 away from passing this 50K. I would like to get it done today. Y'all inverse traders, that was all y'all needed right here. That was all y'all needed. I mean, it's not horrible. It's not a horrible entry at all. I'm debating like, bro, do I take it? Or do I try to wait for something a little bit? I mean, wow, that 15 minute looks like a sweep to me, bro. Gotta hit that break even. Yeah, man, working on it, bro. Let's just say I should have multiple funded accounts this year. It's just it's been a lot of self-sabotage, you know what I'm saying? A lot of self-sabotage that, you know, gotta work through. This little baby fair value gap just got tapped into. Only reason I'm not pulling the trigger, I was like, I'm just not 100% on these sells, bro. At the same time, I can see why they make sense. I'm gonna listen to my gut though, because we saw what happened when I listened to my gut yesterday. Saved me from an instant loss. I mean, when I say instant, instantly. I'm thinking I might hop in this. And I was like, nah, something telling me not to get in there. And I mean, in 30 seconds, that thing lost. So I'm going to listen to it again, bro. And guess what? If this just falls off a cliff and takes off, then it's only one explanation, bro. The market's racist, obviously. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All part of the game. Had a pretty nice payout. I messed up and then blew the account on a lot of mistakes. Yeah, bro. I feel like it's all part of getting your stripes, man. I feel like every trader has like the same story in a lot of ways. You gotta earn your stripes. Make some of the same mental mistakes that everyone else made. It's all part of growing you and making you become better. I don't know if I want a short, man. Although, I mean, God, does this 15-minute candle look beautiful for a little sweep? Should I? Should I? How about this, bro? We displace one more time. I want to see a low, see if we can get displaced through a low, a little generated low. And then I might possibly take that. But boy, this looks, I mean, so far, I mean, we all know how candles look perfect. Like when you're looking at them, then, you know, in 30 minutes, this thing could be a freaking completely bearish candle. I mean, bullish candle. I mean, so far, this looks like a decent liquidity sweep. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's exercise some patience here, y'all. This is NFP week, after all. We all know how NFP loves to fake out people. So far, we've been dodging her. We 2-0. I would say I'm not interested in even thinking about going long based on the current information I have until we get down into here. But keep in mind, it's fluid, y'all. It's fluid. That may change. That may change in, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. It may change. Like, I'm just walking y'all through what I'm thinking as I'm thinking it. But as we already know on these charts, you gotta be fluid. You gotta be willing to change what you was thinking based on new information. I mean, the bearish SMT between ES and NQ is prominent. I mean, clear as day. And I think let me see what this would look like. Yikes, man. I want to stay on the minis, man. I really do, but boy. I mean, I guess we have a big range today, so looking for a bigger move isn't completely crazy. I'm thinking about pulling the trigger on this just because The super prominent bearish SMT we got. I might have to go to the micros, man. Frick. Nothing wrong with micros. It's just unfortunately I need a bigger move on the micros. To get this thing done. Be risking about 430. Nah, I've never used volume, bruh. I'm thinking through this, y'all. Let's see if we can get some displacement from here. And maybe we can catch an entry off of that. Since it is NFP, let me not just take the first thing I see, bro. Let me exercise a little bit of patience. See if we can get some displacement down again, like a clearer displacement, and take that. Let me not get baited into a short, bro. We trying our best not to get baited today, y'all. But I'm keeping in mind this bearish SMT here. Super clear. Super clear. With stack lows at the bottom, I mean, hey. Yo. Wow, man. Let's thank God for that discernment once again to not take that. He saved us 2 days in a row from taking an L, man. All right, so as of right now, it's looking like your boy may have a no trade day, bro. Just based on how these candles are forming right now. I mean, unless we get us a little 5 minute gap here, displacing through this little generated high right here, might give it a shot. Trying to find something off a 5 minute gap here, and then look for something on the 1 minute. I feel like I do want to take one trade just give myself a shot today. You know what I'm saying? Before the rebuild, but it's not going to be just an idiotic trade either. It's not going to be a trade where at the end of it, I'm like, bro, why did I do that? Shoot, we might just bring it back to Doyle. You know what I'm saying? Little demand. Thank you, Lord, for saving us from an L. That wouldn't have been ideal. Man. All depends on how this third candle closes, man. If I even consider looking for a long inside of this. Yeah, that doesn't look good at all. Yeah, 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 no. Not looking for a long out of that fair value gap, even if it does form one. I so might take a short today. see if we get some more displacement, bro. Ideally, I would want to see a displacement through a low, man. Still not closing above the previous day's high on the 15-minute. Man, y'all let me know what we gonna do, man. Y'all let me know when y'all done playing around. Let's see if we can displace through here. Have us a little fair value gap overlapping this, maybe. Just waiting, man. Very good. That's what I want to see. Displace through there. Give me a fair value gap. We'll be in there. And we just tapped into, yep. We just tapped into that 5-minute gap. That's something to keep in mind too. Let's see if they hold on that. Let's see, bro. If we displace higher, man, I gotta give myself a shot today. I literally have to. I gotta give myself a shot today, man. So maybe, just maybe, we can get like some. What I'm looking for is displacement, bro. Just displacement anywhere. Something clear, you know what I'm saying? So whether that's to go long or short, man, I need like clear displacement to say, yo, this is where we are trying to go. So I'm not seeing that anywhere so far. So I'm being patient, waiting for a clear displacement, bro. Something that's so clear, like there's no need to even question it. This bearish SMT is still here. We got to keep that in mind. That's why I'm not 100% sold on the longs. Because nothing, like when I look at ES's chart, nothing is telling me that, hey, yo, they're trying to reach up, you know? Like, we're not really respecting any bullish PD arrays. Because this bullish fair value gap got ran through instantly. This one looks like it's respecting as of right now. But who knows? So, just got to keep all of this stuff in mind, bro. If I go long, I know for sure that I'm going against one thing, which is the S&T. And so if it loses, I got to, you know what I'm saying, be like, hey, yo, you knew it was a possibility. But also, if I go short, I got to keep in mind, like, yo, we got so much liquidity at the top in the daily fair value gap. So it's kind of like just pick your poison. I'm going to go with whichever one gives me the clear displacement. And if I don't get that in the next 20, 30 minutes, it'll just be a no trade day, unfortunately. We sure are chopping around at this low. sweep this low. I mean, we just keep it here. Just let me know what we're gonna do, man. We got the macro coming up in 8.5 minutes. The macro may be our last hope. And seeing something before I get off. Starting to get some displacement, y'all. We may be taking us a trade here soon. Very good, very good, very good. I want to see displacement. We're starting to get it. Let's see if we can get this. Do not close this, bro. Do not close this. Thank you. All right. We get a pull back into here as long as this candle closes how I want it to close. I'll give it a run. I'll even give it a little bit more of a stop than I usually would, especially if this candle can close and inverse all this. If we can close and inverse all that, that'll make me slightly more confident. Just come on. What I say, we need 71 points. Let's go for 71 3/4. All right, yeah. Putting the limit on. See if we can get it. See if they come pick us up or not. See if they have a heart to come pick us up, man. And we ain't looking for nothing much. If we can get picked up, this is all we're looking for. But my stop loss is just a 3 candle sequence. I guess I could just add this into this last little bullish candle. Hopefully that'll be our last line of defense. Is like a little order block, maybe. Let's see if we can get this. And see if maybe, just maybe, bro, in faith, we can pass this combine today. I need them to come pick me up, though. I don't want to answer on this lower one. I want this higher one. So we need them to come back and say what's up to us. Come tag us in. I guess the good thing is this is a 5-minute gap too. So hopefully they'll be more inclined to come back up here, bro, even though it looks like they're trying to fall. Come on, you got to give us a shot. We've been waiting. We've been patient all day, all morning. You got to give us a shot. I'm risking a little bit more than what like $200 more than what I would normally risk. That's really just because I don't want to get super cute with the entry. I mean, with the stop loss, and then, you know, get left. Or get stopped out and then just for it to go in my favor. Come on, man. Come get us. Don't leave us. We were patient all morning. You can't do this. You can't leave us, bro. We were patient all morning. You literally can't. Oh, Macro, I need you to push up first and come tag me in before you go. Please, Macro. You got a minute before the Macro. This would be so wrong if they do this, bro. I think they actually might do it, y'all. They might actually leave me. We waited all morning, bro. You cannot leave me, man. You can't do it, bro. Please, man. Macro, please. Macro, please. Go back up. Just tag me. Just tag me in, please. I said please, Macro. I said please. Please. Just tag me in, please. It's no way I wait all morning and I get left. It's no way. You gotta come get me. Like, bro, we did everything right this morning. Didn't get baited into a trade, patient all morning. I'm not gonna move it down to the 2 minute gap. Like if it wants to do that, then I can't. Like, we did everything right. I mean, I couldn't even. I can't be mad if I get left. But boy, would that be annoying. Cause it's like, bruh, we wait and we get left. Now, if I was being rash and just would have entered the short just because, oh, they would have. Oh, let's get Chris in here real quick. You cannot do this to me. Macro, please get us up there. Please. I'm saying please, bro. You gotta get up there. Is this how I'm about to be done, bro? The day before my rebuild, I'm about to get left behind. Oh, this market's racist, bro. There's no other answer. This market is racist. Bro, you have to get me, bro. There's no way you don't. Chris. They trying to hold me, bro. They trying to hold me. I can't believe it. You can't do that. You gotta get me in. Please. Let me look. Let me see what we looking like. I think I'll leave it on, even if I get off stream. I'll leave it on until, like, unless like we hit this first, and then come back up here. Like I wouldn't want to see this get hit and then we go back up. Like I would want to see this get tapped into before we get down there. Come on. And imagine I beg for it to come back up here and I take a L. Oh, that would be racist too, bro. It's racist all around. You can't do it. I literally have to win or else the market's racist. It's no in between. And I don't make the rules. I said, please, man, get up there. My parents told me if you say please, you get a better likelihood of something going in your favor, bro. That's what they told me growing up. Please. I said, please. I would love for this to at least get triggered before I hop off. We tap into this lower 5 minute gap, man. I'm not willing to take it off of that. So, like I said, if we don't get this, bro, then it's all over. It's all over. Oh, come on, you know you want to come back up here. Look at this. Hey, you know you reaching when you start drawing other stuff. Like, come on now, you want to get up here, bro. Like, look at this. Look at this gone box. You want to get up here. Oh, I gotta switch this. This is for my dark theme. I forgot. I gotta change the colors. I'll do it later. Come on now. You want to get up here? I don't even know what that is, bro. What is that, bro? Well, I can do a poll. Y'all think I'm getting left behind, bro? Yes or no? I'm about to do a poll. Maybe if I stop looking at it, it'll go up. And if you vote on this, you better say yes. Oh my God, I'm getting left, man. Bro. I said you better say yes. I should have said you better say no. Who said yes? You better pray I can't see who said yes or else you're getting banned. Bro, we're patient all morning just to get left on the only clear setup, bro. Oh my God, that's crazy. The question is, do I just... Do I take this fair value gap, bro, to give myself a shot? I think if I take this lower one, I gotta go to the micros and decrease my risk. Like, put it in half, bro. I think I have to. I think that's the smart decision if I take this lower one. Because it's not where I wanted to get in. But then again, it just taps into that, bro. Oh my God, bro. That's so annoying. That's so annoying, bro. We're waiting all morning. Yeah, it's all over, bro. That's the irritating part, yeah. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off, man. This thing's gone, and I'm pissed off about it. So let me just go ahead and get off these charts before I do something stupid, bro. I'm so mad about that, man. We wait all morning. We wait for the clearest day setup, bearish SMT, easy money, put the limit on, and then of course it wants to just leave, bro. So I'm a little irritated. And because I'm irritated, I'm going to go ahead and hop off these charts before I do something stupid. We're not getting it done today, unfortunately. We got to pay the rebuild tomorrow. That's okay. I'd rather spend $50 and just have $1,400 to go than blow this and have to get back up to 3K all over again, man. Unfortunate. If we didn't take our L's last week, we would have been passing this week. But, I mean, that's with everything. If I didn't lose all the money I lost, you know, my first couple years of trading, I'd be up a couple $1,000s. That's irritating. That's unfortunate. I feel like my YouTube streams, bro, I don't know what y'all do, but y'all will bring the heartbreak when I'm on stream, bro. The heartbreak is on stream. That's unfortunate, but let me get off these charts before I do something stupid or force a trade, and then I got to come on here tomorrow telling you guys how I blew this account. So I'm going to hop off, y'all. Tough luck. Unfortunate. We'll show up tomorrow and see if we can pass this on the first day of the rebuild. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, man. If you caught anything today, shout out to you. Trade smart, trade safely, don't be stupid. And good favor, bro. Good favor to you guys. I'm out of here, bro.